Hi everyone, I'm Chef Emily Peralta and welcome for another tips, tricks, tutorials, and recipes na isi-share ko sa inyo. Alam niyo ba na ang Family's Choice Artisanal Red Velvet Powdered Mix ay hindi lamang pang barista, pang milk tea, pang coffee, pang kahit anong drinks na gusto ninyo. Pwede rin ito for desserts, for pastries, at kahit anong baked goodies na gusto ninyong gawin. Halika at tuturuan ko kayo ng panibagong recipe, innovative recipe na sigurado ko magugustuhan ninyo at makakatipid kayo when it comes to pricing and costing ng ating mga desserts. For today's recipe ay tuturuan ko kayong gumawa ng salted cream cheese red velvet brownies. This very innovative recipe will give you a profitable earnings para sa itatayo ninyong negosyo. And by using Family's Choice artisanal product, it will give you a cost-saving solution for all your tasty artisanal creations. Tara at umpisan na natin. Our ingredients, we will be needing Family's Choice Artisanal Red Velvet Powdered Mix, 1½ cup or a total of 180 grams. 1 cup or 120 grams of all-purpose flour, 4 large eggs, 3/4 cup or 150 grams of granulated sugar, 1 cup or 250 grams of butter, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. So let's start by putting our paddle attachment sa ating mixing bowl. And we will have our 1 cup of melted or softened butter. Next, our sugar until it became pale and soft. At habang hinihintay natin na maging pale color ang ating butter and sugar, we'll now combine our all-purpose flour and our Family's Choice Artisanal Red Velvet Powder Mix. Isisift lang natin siya together. With our Family's Choice Artisanal Red Velvet Powder Mix, hindi na natin kailangan ng food color or even to add cocoa powder sa ating recipe. Dahil ang ating recipe nito ay kumpleto na. Nandito na lahat ang mga kailangan natin. Kaya kung mapapansin ninyo, very minimal din lang ang sugar na ginamit ko. Dahil meron din pong asukal ang ating mixture. So we'll just combine and sift them together to make sure na walang magiging lumps ang ating recipe. O diba, napakalaking tipid kapag gumamit talaga tayo ng Family's Choice Artisanal Red Velvet Powdered Mix. Once again, we'll scrape the side of our bowl to make sure na wala tayong mga lumps sa gilid-gilid. Then we will now add our vanilla as well as our vinegar. Then imimix lang natin together for just a few seconds. So, slowly but surely, ilalagay natin yung dry ingredients natin sa ating liquid ingredients. And dito na lang natin siya ika-cut and fold ang ating recipe. Once na everything is incorporated and mixed, this is now ready at itong hinahanap natin na texture para sa ating magiging brownie mixture natin. Pagkatapos ay maghihiwalay tayo ng konting mixture mula sa ating red velvet butter para gagamitin natin pang-decorate at pang-toppings natin sa ating salted cream cheese red velvet brownies. Ang ating 9x9 square inch pan, dito natin ilalagay ngayon ang ating red velvet mixture. And then we'll set this aside at ready naman natin ang ating cream cheese mixture. Now, let's prepare for our salted cream cheese toppings using our Family's Choice salted cream cheese powder mix. This time, we were going to cream our 1 cup of our cream cheese or softened cream cheese and our 1 cup of Family's Choice artisanal salted cream cheese powder mix. Dahil sa paggamit natin ng ating artisanal salted cream cheese powder mix, hindi na tayo nangangailangan ng sugar sa ating mixture kasi ito na yung magsisilbing sugar natin. And also at the same time, kung mapapansin mo, I only use 1 cup or 1 bar of our cream cheese bar kasi isa-substitute na niya yung 1 cup ng ating salted cream cheese powder mix. Then we'll cream this together until everything is well combined. We can now add our 1 piece or 2 pieces of egg yolks, then our vanilla. Diba? Just by adding a few ingredients, ay magagawa natin na napakasarap at napakamurang recipe na gagawin natin ngayon. Ang dami ko inunit dito, like the food color, even the cocoa powder, I omitted that thing, even the sugar ay na-lessen na din dahil lahat ng ito ay nandito na sa ating Family's Choice Artisanal Powdered Mix. Lahat ng mga ito na kailangan ko ay nandito na sa isang pakete lamang. So, ganito yung kanyang consistency na hinahanap natin. Grabe, ang bango, ang ganda ng consistency. Ngayon pa lang, di pa nga siya naluluto, takam na ako. Ang laki talaga na natipid ko mula nung na-discover ko ang Family's Choice artisanal products gawa ng ating Family's Choice company. Talaga naman masasabi kong Family's Choice talaga. Just make sure na hanggang sa mga gilid-gilid ay naikakalat ninyo ang inyong cream cheese mixture para naman talagang well combined at well distributed ang ating cream cheese. Pagkatapos, ilalagay na natin ang ating hiniwalay kanina na red velvet butter for the decoration. Fun part, ang gumawa ng mga swirl na design para sa ating Family's Choice salted cream cheese red velvet brownies. Ang ganda, di ba? Now, let's bake this at 170 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes. At ito na siya, ang ating finished product with our red velvet salted cream cheese brownies. Ang mga brownies natin, usually mas maganda o ideally, ito po ang size ito. Dapat binibake natin siya sa 9 by 13 na pan. So, ito, medyo malaki to, but if you have the 9 by 13 pan, mas okay yon. This one, ang ginamit natin dito is 9 by 9. Para mas akma yung size ito, tulad ng mga nakikita natin madalas sa mga brownies store, yung medyo mas manipis ng konti dito. You can actually bake 1 pan of this into 9 by 13, so you can have a yield of 24 pieces. One more thing is, mas maganda na ito, i-bake ninyo siya. After ninyo siya i-bake, is mas maganda na i-chill nyo muna siya sa chiller for at least 6 to 12 hours para mas mag-set siya at mas maganda magiging outcome niya. Hindi siya yung madali mag-crack or soft pa para mas maging firm ang ating recipe o ang ating brownies na ginawa. So, ayan o, ang ganda ng kanyang outcome. Wow. Very nice. Look how thick that cream cheese is. Ayan, ang kapal niya. Ayan. Very beautiful. Very dense and very moist ang ating cake. Wow. Then afterwards, we're just going to measure at least 2 inches each. Yan. So, see, look how dense, how rich there yung itsura niya, di ba? Ang ganda, ang kapal ng ating cream cheese. And then, we'll just have here on our brown cupcake liner. Yan, ganyan ang packaging natin. And then we'll do it again for our necklace. Ganda, di ba? Ang ganda ng layers. Very, very good. And makikita mo dito, dense siya. Very moist, pero hindi siya yung matigas. Ang ganda ng pagkaka-bake niya talaga. Very perfect. Napakalaking tulong talaga na ang gamit natin ay ang Family's Choice Artisanal Powdered Mix. Katulad na lamang ng ating Artisanal Red Velvet and our Artisanal Salted Cream Cheese. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa recipe natin ngayon, ang ating Salted Cream Cheese Red Velvet Brownies. At sana ay gamitin ito sa pangnegosyo at nang makatulong naman sa kinabukasan nyo. Once again, this is Chef Emily Peralta providing you a cost-saving solution for your tasty artisanal creations.